welcome back. I know it's been a while. You've been waiting for my videos. This is not the one you're expecting today, but just bear with me, all right? We're gonna have some fun. But anyway, we're in the basement, and it got approved. As you can see, bring me in, show them. This bad boy had me stumped for a while, for like 2 hours. Went to sleep, came out the next day, bam, we were done with it in an hour. So as you see here, along here, all along here. All this is basically is like a big ladder. And we just got it up there, set it up. 2 smaller ones were knocked out the night before, but hey, important thing is the basement got approved. Guy came in this morning and knocked it out. So we can move along with drywall. And hopefully you guys get to see the finished product before I roll out. That's the plan. All right. But hey, as you can see, we got the switches. Well, the outlets, electrical and everything already in. And just to show you. Wrong one. There you go. Recessed lighting. I did not install the electrical. I don't play with hot wires. Ever had a bad experience back in 02. I don't know. So, had an actual electrician come in and do this. Great job so far. He hooked these lights up. They're working. Electrical inspection is on Monday. And we should fly on that also. But, hey, I got something special for y'all today. So, without further ado, let's go get to it. Yep, that's where we're going. There it is. Sorry, phone's shaky. I'm walking, but let me go see how much juice this thing got. If you know me, you know I like to go fast. All right, here we go, people. Ignition. And, oh, brake pedal. All right. Well, here we go. Can you see me? All right. Drive, yeah. Is the heat on? It's hard. No. Oh, it is. Yeah, it's. Oh, he got an auto. Over there? Still. Crack the window a little bit. Break off. Alright, here we go, guys. We're in the neighborhood right now, so I ain't gonna really do nothing. And this is not no Mercedes type review. I don't know the size of the tires. I don't know what kind of materials on the seat. I'm just doing my driving review. See if it's something I would want to drive daily. I don't know who that guy is, but he's been scoping out the neighborhood.
Oh, he's selling True Green service.
Wow. I was gonna be a regular Suburban and call the cops. Tell me he looks suspect. Canvassing the area. I like the way it sounds. Got a little deepness to the exhaust note. Well, once we get out here, I'm gonna see what happens.
Is it on sport mode?
No, I don't know, man. Which one?
The on button.
What?
You have to be stopped to do it.
All right. So we're going into sport mode. it just turn off?
It's fine. When you hit the gas pedal, it'll turn on.
Oh, hell no.
There you go. It has Eco, Sport.
Sport.
Okay, we're in sport mode. Let's see.
Hold on, let me see one more time. Okay, steering's in sport now. Okay.
All right. So all I'll do is hit the gas.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't do this, man. It's some freaky crap.
You could test it up this hill.
Nah, I'm gonna go this way. All right, let's see what she got. Holy shit! Woohoo! Oh man! Oh yeah! Kim, my dear, this was a wise choice.
Yeah, it takes turns really good too.
People, this thing corners like my 240, picks up and takes off better than my 240. Let me add that in there. Get me wrong, my 240 is fast. It probably whooped this Mercedes ass, but it got some get up. To be honest with you. Coming out here to the highway. Careful, these Maryland drivers don't know what they're doing. All right, let's see. Oh, God, woo! I'm impressed. I am impressed. I love it. I will admit, I love it. Will I buy it? Not for me. Why? Can't change the oil myself, and I can't modify it. So this thing just, holy crap. Well, folks, that's all you get in a little half a mile. The car is impressive. Stay on your side, buddy. It is. I actually love it. But the whole stopping and engine cutting off and all these magic buttons and gadgets, I can't deal with that. From a dead stop, let's see what happens. That's 60 miles an hour. From a dead stop, that was 60. So I was saying about a good, I don't know, 80, 100 feet. That's fast. It is. But my 240 still beat it. But anyway, that's y'all video for today. I promised you a driving review. As stated, I love the car. I really do. It'll take me a couple months to get used to all these buttons though. And that's a little bit too long. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And about to go do some little grocery shopping. But hey, stay tuned. We got the wheels, rear suspension, the rear suspension installed, the T and spring installed, motor installed and start up. We got all that stuff coming. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Seen my crazy face reactions to this vehicle. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And also share this with your friends and family. All right, guys? Thank you.